In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Reels on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Let's get started. First off, open up Facebook app. Then tap at that plus and select Reel. That's where we can create our reel. First off, we need to choose whether we want to activate our camera and record a reel or use some photo or video from our camera roll. Let's say I want to use some picture. Let it be that one. We can just tap on it to add. After that, we'll be able to add audio. We can add music in that way. To add it, just tap at plus sign. Also, if we tap add audio, we can also add a voiceover for that reel. We can tap right here, and then we can position that playback marker. And then in that way, we can add voiceover to our reel. After that, we can right from here change volume levels for our song and for voiceover just like that. Then if we would like to add some text, we can easily do so. Just enter it, change text size, change the color of this text. Also, we can add that highlight effect and change the alignment. After that, we can place it somewhere on our reel. We can add some stickers here. Let's say I want to add weather sticker. I can just tap right here. I can tap at that sticker to change its style. I can also scale it a bit. Then I can move it around to place somewhere on our reel. After that, we can just share this reel with our followers. To do that, tap at next. Add some description for that reel if you want. Also, you can set privacy for that reel top right here. And then we can switch it to public, friends or friends accept. We can tap right here and select those users whom we don't want to share that reel with and tap at done. Or we can just set it to public or friends. After that, we can tap at set as default audience to save these audience settings for your future reels. I'm just going to tap at done. Also, we can tag someone. Just select those users whom you want to tag and tap at tag person. Then choose if you would like to share this reel on Instagram. I'm just going to turn it off. And then all we have to do is just tap at share now. That's how you can easily add reels on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.